Question number 1. Which is the smallest state in India by area? The right answer is option B, Goa. Question number 2. Which is the first planned city in India? The right answer is option A, Chandigarh. Question number 3. Which Indian state is known as the land of the rising sun? The right answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 4. Which city is known as the Manchester of India? The right answer is option B, Ahmedabad. Question number 5. Which state is famous for its sandalwood? The right answer is option B, Karnataka. Question number 6. Which Indian city is known as the City of Lakes? The right answer is option A, Udaipur. Question number 7. Which state is the largest producer of coffee in India? The right answer is option C, Karnataka. Question number 8. Which river flows through the city of Varanasi? The right answer is option C, Ganga. Question number 9. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? The right answer is option A, Shimla. Question number 10. Which state is the largest producer of rubber in India? The right answer is option A, Kerala. Question number 11. Which Indian state has the highest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? The right answer is option A, Maharashtra. Question number 12. What is the capital city of Uttarakhand? The right answer is option A, Dehradun. Question number 13. Which city is known as the Gateway of India? The right answer is option A, Mumbai. Question number 14. Which city is known as the City of Palaces? The right answer is option D, Kolkata. Question number 15. What is the capital city of Bihar? The right answer is option A, Patna.